Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logouts on the application of Chase Mobile. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Chase Mobile and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Chase Mobile. If you find the update here in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.